So guys, here you can see one more where we came out with a Python. Like in the previous video, I'm telling you about some useful tips in Python. So in today's video of Python, I'm telling you about the unit testing means a higher level of coding. I'm telling you about it. What is a unit test? In the unit testing, what is the higher level of coding? I'm telling you about it. So see the video start to it, and please like this video, share your friends, and subscribe to my channel. Do not forget to all the notification bell also subscribe for any future related videos about the Python. And now, tell me in the comment section below how my performance is going and how your Python journey is going on. And we completed a 106th video of the Python successfully. Yes, okay. This is one longest course of Python in the history. Okay, like that. So, but let's move to computer screen and do not forget to all the notification bell also. So now, without taking any time, let's move to computer screen and let's know about what is the unit testing. In the unit testing, what are higher level of coding in Python. So yeah, we are learning about it. So let's move to computer screen and let's do a coding with laughing. So guys, in today's video of Python, I am telling you about the unit testing means the higher level of coding. If you don't know what is the unit testing means, that a higher level of coding, I am telling you about it. So without wasting our any time, let's get started and let's learn about it. Here's a quick guide to Python unit testing using unit tests. Why unit testing? Why unit testing? First is you catch a bugs early, means that you detect issues in individual components. Number 2, confident refactoring means that it makes changes knowing tests will catch regressions. Number 3 is better code design, means that this better code design, what it can do, it promotes modular testable code. Okay, like this one example, and this is a unit test example with the unit test. Here we use the unit test. Okay, copy it and paste it. If it is giving me the error, if it is giving me the error, by chance it is giving me the error, so what you can do, go on the command prompt and write here pip install unit test, because your unit sometime your unit test library will be not installed. So that's why I'm telling you right here the unit test, then your library of the unit test has been downloaded, then not give you the error. Save it and run it. Then I hope it give you the output. Here you can see it give me the output like ran one test is 0.00 seconds. Okay, here you can see it. Like that it is giving me the output now. Here you can see it. Now, let's come on it here. Key tips. Number first is AAA structure, means that arrange, act and assert. Number 2, run edge case, means that test different inputs. Number 3 is mocking, means that it's used for dependencies to isolate test. This approach helps ensure reliable and maintainable code. Okay, so here you can see it. And if you want to write this code, so let me tell you how to write this code. So for write this code easily, as let me tell you how to write it. First of all, erase it. And now for that, first of all, you write here import, and here you write your library, and I am writing my library. My library is import unit test. Then I am writing here comment function to test. Then def, then add, then a comma b, then ratio, then here writing return, then a plus b, and then a hashtag test case. Here we define a test case like class test add function. Then here I define like unit test, then comma, then test, then case, like this. Then def again, then test, then here we write like add, then self, then ratio, then self dot assert, then equal, then we write add, then here we define 2 comma 3, then here you not write comma, then comma 5. Then you define like comment the test with integers, and then you write here self dot assert almost equal. Okay, equal spelling should be must in the correct. Okay, then add, then here you write like 0 comma, then 1 comma, then 0.2, then comma, then again, then 0.3, then comma, then places equals to 1. Here we test will, in this line we test will floats. Okay, then enter press, and now we define a one more comment, and in this comment we run our test, and then here we write like if, then here we define like if name, then underscore underscore, then equals to, then in a single comma we write like in underscore underscore main, then underscore underscore, then unit test dot main. Like this you will write it, okay? Like this you simply write it, this type of code. Then you will be running it, then it gives the output like this. Here you can see it, like that. So you can see in today's video, I told you about in the Python what is the unit testing means, the higher level of coding, and tell you about it. So I hope you can enjoy this class. If you enjoy, so please like this video, share and subscribe to my channel. Do not forget to all the notification bell. Also never miss any future latest video about Python. And tell me in the comment section below how your Python journey is going, and tell me in the comment section below. So now I'm making next lesson, next video. I'm making like that type of videos of the Python. So for today, goodbye.